The F5 error code on Maytag washers indicates a problem with the lid or door lock mechanism. This safety feature prevents the washer from starting or continuing its cycle when the lock isn't engaged properly. The error means the control board isn't receiving confirmation that the lid or door is securely locked, stopping the washing cycle. This confirmation comes from the lock assembly, which must signal the board within seconds of cycle start. Understanding this lock mechanism is key to troubleshooting the F5 error, as shown in the control circuit diagram. The F5 error involves two main components, the lid door lock assembly and the control board. The lid door lock assembly is a motorized latch with sensors that physically secures the door or lid. It contains solenoids and switches that engage to hold the door closed and send a confirmation signal to the control board. The control board is the washer's main circuit board that receives and interprets signals from the lock assembly. It ensures the lock is engaged before allowing the cycle to start. If the control board doesn't receive the locked signal within a few seconds, it triggers the F5 error code to prevent operation and ensure safety. The F5 error code on Maytag washers indicates a problem with the lid or door lock mechanism. Common causes include jammed locks from clothing or debris, which can prevent the lock from engaging properly. Worn-out solenoids within the lock assembly are another frequent cause, as these components can fail after repeated use. Wiring failures, such as damaged insulation or loose connections, can interrupt the electrical signals needed for the lock to function. Power surges can damage the lock's electrical components, leading to erratic behavior and error codes. Software glitches in newer smart models may cause false error readings, often resolvable with updates. Overloading the washer can strain the lock mechanism, increasing wear and tear over time. The first step in troubleshooting the F5 error is a soft reset. Unplug the washer from the power outlet for 10 to 30 minutes to clear any temporary errors. Additionally, visually inspect the lock area for any obstructions, such as stray clothing items that might interfere with the mechanism. Manual lock inspection and cleaning is crucial for resolving F5 errors. Start by ensuring safety first. Always unplug the washer before any inspection to prevent electrical hazards. This is essential for your safety. Next, carefully check the lock mechanism itself for any debris or obstructions that could prevent proper operation. Manually test the lock with the washer unplugged to ensure it moves smoothly and engages properly. Finally, clean the area around the lock with a damp cloth to remove any buildup or residue. If the reset and cleaning don't resolve the F5 error, the issue may lie with the wiring or a faulty lock assembly. First, inspect the wiring connecting to the lock for any signs of damage, such as fraying or loose connections. If you're comfortable with basic repairs, you can replace the entire lock assembly. Unplug the washer first for safety, then disconnect the wiring and remove the old lock. Refer to your washer's model number to order the correct replacement part, such as W11316258 for many Maytag models. Installation requires following the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Newer Maytag smart washers like the MH88630HC offer AI-enhanced diagnostics that can help identify issues before they become major problems. Check for firmware updates through the Whirlpool app to ensure your washer has the latest features and fixes. These updates provide real-time error alerts and guided troubleshooting videos to assist with repairs. This can potentially resolve the F5 error without needing professional help. If you've tried the soft reset, manual inspection, and cleaning, and the F5 error still persists, it's time to call a qualified appliance repair technician. Improper repairs can lead to further damage to the washer or create electrical hazards like exposed wiring or faulty connections. Professionals have specialized diagnostic tools and expertise to safely handle complex issues such as wiring problems, control board failures, or solenoid replacements.